He's picking lint off the hall carpet. And they call me nuts.
Okay. If we're gonna do this, we have to go into deep stealth mode. Visibility is our friend. Shadows become a second cousin.
What you doing? Huh? Picking lint off the carpet? That's nice because that helps to avoid. Have a good weekend.
Hello?
Hello, who's this? A big fat liar?
Maybe. Who's this?
It's Stan. You just made me look like a total idiot. Joyce doesn't hate men.
I just assumed, because she's never made a play for me.
You're a huge help. Put Millie on.
Millie.
Hello?
Millie, it's Stan. Look, I'm trying to help Joyce.
Joyce is in trouble? What's wrong? Is she trapped under something?
Would you just...
Get her out of there. Look, use your legs and elevate her feet. No, elevate her head with your legs.
Joyce is fine. Just forget I called. I'll look after this myself. Hello?
If you have to make a tourniquet, you can use her pantyhose.
Good tip, thanks.
That is not how Dwayne Johnson would have handled things. That was bad.
Dude, are you allergic to wool?
Oh, I don't know, Crystal. I'm all worked up here.
You're trying to do too much. You need to sit down, relax, and rub this wool on your face and tell me if it gets itchy.
I don't have time for this.
Do you have a metal spatula?
Look, we all want pancakes, but let's stay focused.
No. I have an idea.
Can we do crepes instead?
A virtually perfect divorce is a something's wrong divorce.
Don't you ever quit?
No, there must be some niggly little sniggly thing nibbling away at the back of your brain.
No. Well.
Oh, there it is. Come on, get it out of there.
Oh, it's stupid. You just got me thinking about this old steamer trunk I liked. My ex got it in the settlement.
Okay, hang on.
Trunk. We're doing flashcards?
Ash cards. We're going to burn this. It represents your problem. When it goes up in smoke, your problems will drift away with it.
Will you drift away too?
You're lashing out. That's human. Here.
Shouldn't we have a ashtray or a tin can or something to put this in?
Oh, that's good thinking.
Hurry.
Do you have an ashtray or tin can or something?
Ouch! Ow!
Okay, I got it out. It's all good.
It's not all good. I just burnt my finger.
Sorry. For the record, I don't do anything with Millie that involves fire.
Can you see anything?
I can't concentrate with all that smacking going on.
Well, these crepes are sticky.
It's a bit dark, but I can see his door. He's one to talk about conformity. No one else has a black door. Especially with fur around it. That's just... Wait. Sorry, I'm looking at my nose. There we go. He's coming out.
Did he just wipe his feet before leaving his condo? This guy needs help. That sounds like a cat. I think he has a cat in there.
Cat? A cat's an animal, right? Well, that's not allowed. We caught him! He's got some other kind of beast in there.
That's just Crystal again.
I ate too many crepes.
Well, she'll never let me work with Millie now. Time to find a new job. Hello. Welcome to Walmart.
You're exaggerating.
Am I? Let's see, I called her a man-hater. I almost burned down her building. Oh, and I set fire to her flesh.
When you put it like that... Ow!
What happened?
I got a sliver.
Hey, let me see.
Get it out. Get it out, okay? Is it out yet? Get it out.
I'm trying, but it's really in there. Wait a minute, that's it.
What's it? Is it out?
Joyce is your finger, and the problem is the sliver.
Okay, now back to my thing. Is it out?
Instead of just going in and pulling out the sliver, I've been trying to peel back the finger, like remove the skin and the flesh from around the finger to expose the sliver.
Maybe I'll do it myself.
I need to forget the finger. Focus on the sliver. Eugene Calloway? Used to be married to Joyce Haddison?
Yes. And you are?
Stan Durko. I'm here to help.
I don't want to do this.
Oh, it'll be easy. Just act all slinky and goo-goo-eyed and womany.
Yeah, show me how you're gonna do it.
Dream on.
Just get in, snoop around, and if you see a cat, take a picture.
This is totally...
Too late!
Yes?
My car broke down, and, I was just wondering if I could use your phone in there to, call my boss back at the modeling agency and, bikini car wash.
Who buzzed you in? Because if you weren't buzzed in by a registered tenant, you'll have to leave.
Wow. He is more persnickety than I thought.
Does persnickety mean gay?
Okay. He's a slippery little monkey. It's not going to be easy getting into that apartment. There must be some way to prove he's got a cat in there.
Well, I'm off to the cat store. Specializes in cats and cat-related products. Gotta get some cat food for the old kitty cat.
Did you record that?
On what?